Hello, hello, and welcome to my channel. So, I am, I think, really big fan of Oshinoko anime. I really enjoyed season one, season two, great opening, ending songs, and yeah, today or 2 days ago, I found that also they got like live version of Oshinoko, and live version of Komachi songs. So I decided that I will make reaction to Komachi and his song Twilight, or in uh, Twairaito, Twairaito, or in English Twilight original song. So I think that will be interesting to see the like live characters from anime. And unfortunately, I got some problems with YouTube, so the video is without the sound. But below you will find link for the video, and you can play the video with my reaction. Uh, so that's all. And if you, I will be happy uh, if you visit my reactions for anime, and you can watch my reaction for Oshinoko season 1 and season 2. So let's start it with the music video. I hope that it will be with subtitles. It's without the subtitles, but they've got beautiful voices. The Seo girls. They are really cool. Yeah. Like in the anime. Yeah, nice song for me, unfortunately, without the subtitles, but I will try to find the version with English subtitles. But still, I really enjoy this, and yeah, the scene when we saw Ruby with her, it was like similar scene like in the anime when she jumped from the rock to the water, and we saw her transformation of the eyes, the two black stars. Yeah, the season two is really awesome and really crazy. It will be interesting to see season three. I don't want to read anime. I don't want to read manga. I want to enjoy the anime because. Yeah, it was really nice. It was really nice. I hope that you also enjoy this. And if you like some another interesting musician or band, I will be happy for your recommendation. Or you can write me what is your plan for winter 2025, like from the anime. So for now, see ya.